back to my channel. So yeah, I'm trying to be very consistent on this channel, so you will see a lot of me this 2024. That was my New Year's resolution, because obviously I want to be a content creator, so the first thing I have to do is keep that content going. I hate that I keep like coming to you guys just saying the little bit that I do in the beginning, but I feel like you came here to see the tutorial, so sometimes I hate when people like beat around the bush first and then record the video. Like, get to the makeup already, sis. I want to see how you put the makeup on. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the same thing that I always use, which is the MAC Studio Moisture Cream, and I'm gonna use the YSL primer. So tomorrow I'm starting 75 hard. If you don't know what that is, it's a challenge that you basically stick to a diet plan for 75 days, and you also read a book in that time span, a chapter a day, I believe, or 10 pages a day. You also do 2 workouts, 1 indoor, 1 outdoor. What else do you do? If you drink a gallon of water, and if you fail any of those things, like if you miss a day, you literally have to start all over again. So I am prepping to do the 75 hard. I just went food shopping this morning, so I actually can't wait because my birthday is coming up. Hey Siri, how many days till April 5th?
It's 81 days until then.
So it's almost 75 days into my birthday, so I gotta get this started like ASAP. Anyway, so my birthday's coming up in a couple of months, and I want to be fit for it. I've gained 20 pounds in the last year, and I think that's totally insane. So I need to take this weight right back off my body. I'm planning on running. That's how I got my weight off last. I did HIIT cardio, and HIIT cardio is when you like do an intense. HIIT cardio is like when you do an intense workout for a couple of seconds, like the fastest you can do it, and then slow down for a minute. The MAC Studio Moisture Cream on my face. YSL primer. Butterscotch concealer from Too Faced. So I'm just gonna basically update you guys with how my progress is going, so that you guys can keep me motivated, because I don't think, like, I love challenges, so I don't think I'm gonna fall off of this one. I am kind of nervous because I'm putting myself out there, but oh well. This is Chestnut in the Born This Way concealer. I'm just using it to clean up the top of my brows, which I usually use my Lancome concealer, but I can't find it. Just gonna go ahead and use my artist brush from Michaels to clean up my brow. This color right here, this one. Radiance. Butterscotch. Fenty Matchstick. So let's do lips. I'm gonna start my lip with Cork. Or should I start with Chestnut? I'm gonna start with Cork first. By MAC. Always overline the top. And now for lips, I'm gonna take Honey Love by MAC. Yeah. My lips look gorgeous. I love that combo. So that was MAC Cork, MAC Chestnut, and Honey Love. That's so pretty. L'Oreal Infallible Plump Lipstick, and this is the shade, Plump Lip Gloss, sorry. And this is the shade Nude Twinkle. So I'm gonna put the Nude Twinkle on the outside. Ooh, this looks pretty. Matter of fact, I should do the whole lip. I like that on its own, right? And that is the lip. Just a little bit more chestnut. camera keeps dying per usual. I need to just go ahead and get a second battery. But anyway, this is the finished look. I kind of wish I did something with the inner part of the eye, but I might have a tutorial like that already, so I didn't want to ruin this look. So I kept it as it is. I feel like this is my best lip combo yet. Like, I literally love this lip, and I wanted more gloss, so I just added like a clear gloss on top, and that's from Remedy by Ari. And I literally like, ugh, I love my lips. Like, they're so beautiful. I love it. It looks perfect. Tell me how you like it. And tell me, would you wear a look like this? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.